Hello everybody. I'm going to do a little room tour of the Conrad Hilton Fort Lauderdale Beach Resort. This is a 1-bedroom, partial ocean view suite. Beautiful bathroom with a tall glass shower and tiling. And then we have a vanity area, double sink with makeup mirror. Very nice products. And then a beautiful, gorgeous bath. I mean, oh my gosh, look at the size of that. As well as you get a nice robe, sitting area, just stunning. All right, let's head back down the hall. You get kind of a mini kitchen area right here with a stovetop microwave. There is silverware, glasses, things of that nature. Coffee and water station. This is complimentary. All the coffees and teas come with the room. There's also a mini fridge option in here. As you'll see, there's silverware and things of that nature. Alrighty. Anyways, heading back to the bedroom area. Lots of dresser and drawer space, more mini bar options. Then the beautiful king size bed. Gorgeous. I'm getting used to the gimbal here, so bear with me. Then we're going to walk over to the sitting area. And just so that you can see it, we're going to move back over. There's another small closet right there. Now let's head out to some of the best area of this room. Out onto the balcony, where we are poolside with our partial ocean view. You can practically jump in the pool from this room. Nice comfy patio, furniture. I am so excited to be here. Beautiful. All right, well, there you have it.